What's going on, guys? InMiser here, and today I have another unboxing for you guys. And I know what you're thinking, still not a box, but we'll get there eventually. And today I've got something a little bit more interesting to unbox with than just scissors. A little case knife of mine that I've had for a while. And today we are going to be unboxing a Anker, I think 200C plus, 200 plus C charger. Not sure on the name, it's just a bunch of numbers and letters. But it's very good. And there's a bit of a story behind it too, which I'll tell you now. So I've had one of these for a while, and I've been using it for my Nintendo Switch to charge it portably, right? And it's did the job really well and stuff, but I noticed recently, there we go, I noticed recently that the USB-C outlet, the plug wasn't going all the way in, and upon further inspection, there was actually a piece of metal bent in that outlet, and so because of that, I decided to go to Anker and talk to them and be like, hey, this is broke, gotta have a little help. And because it still worked together, but with the plug not being fully in, it took forever for the charger itself to charge, which was kind of a pain, like an entire day. And yeah, Anker is very good with customer service. If you guys don't know, Anker is the leading company in charging supplies and things like that in America, I believe, or at least they boast that. And they're really good with customer service as well, but I've never had any problems with them before, and I've never had to ask for any help. And now that I did, it being in warranty, which is 18 months, I believe, by default on all their products, they sent me a brand new one. I didn't even need the old one back, which I was really surprised with. After saying thank you and stuff, they said, hey, just make sure to tell your friends and stuff about how good your experience was. And so I thought, what better way than to do an unboxing. So, you see, thank you for choosing Anker. And then, yeah, there you go. America's leading USB charging brand. This is not, they're not paying me for this. I mean, they kind of are, I guess, by giving me a free one. But, let's get the charger out of here. And all their stuff is pretty reasonably priced, and if it's not, you can normally wait and it'll be on sale pretty often. Here's the charger, pretty big, but I'm pretty sure it can charge an iPhone 6 like 8 times, which is pretty impressive. You can see it's got a little bit of a charge there, which will be good to show off. And here we've got a little card that always comes in, happy, not happy. If you're not happy, there's all the customer service or ways to ask for support. And just a little manual that I don't need to look at. They have really nice packaging too, that I've always been a fan of. Let's get this stuff out. I'm not sure how, so the thing that's great about this this specific charger, there's a nice bag for it, is that it's made specifically for USB-C items, which it would be like the Nintendo Switch. And what would happen before if you had a different charger is, let's check these out. Yeah, this is what we want. This is USB to USB-C. What would happen before is that if you were charging the Switch while using it, while playing or whatever, it would not actually charge. It would just hold the Switch at whatever percent that it was at, which wasn't that big a deal. Like, it still worked, right? But this one, as you can see, it has, oh, it's upside down. It has these IQ, is what they call them, USB spots, and the USB-C is how you charge it. And then also, they have a USB-C to USB-C cord. So you can charge out of all three of these, actually. Charge things out of it, but the way you charge the pack is through the USB-C. So let's bring the Switch over here for a little demonstration. Yeah. See, we're at about 62%. Just plug it in there. And it's on. And there we have it charging. So, good to know that that all works. Expected it to. Now, the thing I need to check is if this plug goes all the way in. And it does. Very nice. So see, the issue that I was having with mine was that it would only go in about that far. And it would take literally like more than a whole day to charge the actual charger. So that's about it, guys. That is the, let me get the name to be, that is the PowerCore Plus 2100 USB-C. The official name. Got a nice little bag for it. Again, that's from Anker. They have all kinds of products, not just chargers, but also cables and stuff. And really, I mean, I've used a lot of their stuff for a long time and been a big fan of them. So if you ever have any needs like those, go check them out. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Miser, and I'll see you guys in the next one.